Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to fix yellow screen on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, a yellow tint screen negatively impacts the overall user experience, causing frustration and dissatisfaction. Fixing the yellow screen enhances the user experience and ensures satisfaction with your device. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first of all, enter the settings menu on your device. Well, and here select display menu. After that, look for eye comfort shield. Next, turn this toggle off. Okay, so the yellow screen on your device is successfully removed. Well, that's the tutorial on how to fix yellow screen on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information from this channel. Thank you.